Hi viewers, my name is Godwin Onyeyirichi Nwabughogu. I am working here in Emirates Flight Catering and as a committee. Today I'm going to make fish and chips with dip. So here are my ingredients. Here there is whole lemon, there is salt, pepper. Over here is sriracha sauce, and here is sea bass, potatoes, sour cream, lemon juice, curry powder, mayonnaise, chives, parsley, whole egg, all-purpose flour, corn flour. First we need to make the batter for the fish. I grab my bowl, then with a whisk. To make the batter we need the all-purpose flour, then the corn flour, we need salt, pepper as well, and curry powder. The ice water into the flour, then we start to mix it. The batter need to have a little bit of runny consistency so you can make a smooth fried fish. In this plate, I will put corn flour to dust the fish. I marinated the fish for 45 minutes with lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Then I will boil my potatoes. First, I need to blanch the potato first to get rid of the extra starch. Then before I will deep fry it. I put a little bit of salt into the water. Salt will help the water to boil fast and also make the potato retain the color. And over here is the oil to fry the fish. You set it over to this side to make it get hot. Should be not too hot, around 180 degrees. So okay, you can fry the fish, because if it's too hot, the fish will get burned in the outside, but inside is not properly cooked. While we are waiting for the water to boil and the oil to get hot, we will have to make our dip to serve the fish. This is my chives. I have to chop it nice. Now is the parsley. I will just take out one sprig for my garnish later on. I will add the sour cream, the mayonnaise, sriracha sauce, lemon juice, then salt, then a pinch of black pepper. The water is boiling. Now we need to put the potato. Should be blanched for 2 minutes, so it will not be overcooked. Just still gonna deep fry it. So this potato, I will put it down here in the paper towel to remove the moisture. To check if the oil is ready, you need to put a little bit of the butter into it to check how hot. If the butter comes up, the oil is ready for you to fry the fish. So right, I can put this fish into the butter. Now you check the oil is ready, so we take the fish and allow it to the extra butter to drop off. Then we put it in the pan. We hold it for like 30 seconds before we let it to rest inside the oil. Same process again for the second fish. Hold it for 30 seconds, then allow it to rest down. This fish should be in the oil for like 10 to 15 minutes. If it's in a deep fat fryer, it's a bit faster, but right here you need to take a little bit time because of the amount of the oil in it. Now the fish is ready to be flipped over. In here there is a paper towel. When I remove the fish, I need to put it on the paper towel to dab the extra oil from the fish before serving. To know when the fish is ready, the butter should be golden brown, not burnt. Should be properly golden on both sides. Now I'm using sea bass. So if you don't have sea bass, you can use hammer fish if you can get it, or you can use dory fish, any soft fish, but it should be white fish. You cannot use salmon, you cannot use tuna, but it should be white fish, dory, hammer, or sea bass. Now you see the oil stop bubbling. and the fish is golden. So we just remove it straight to the paper towel. From the deep fat fryer, if you're frying anything that you're deep frying, potato, whatever, after removing it from the fryer, you need to sprinkle a little bit of salt on the outside. In the same oil, we fry our potato. So now I'm going to put the potato inside. Here is the potato chips. Just blanched it in the hot water, then again blanch it in the oil. I'll put this in the freezer. But right here is another chips that I prepared yesterday because I want a very good and crispy fries. So I blanch it in the same process in the water, in the oil, then I put it in the freezer. Now I'm going to fry it now just to get a very crispy fries. This potato should take maximum of 2 to 3 minutes depending on the oil and how hot the oil is. If the oil is almost 200 degrees, should be 2 minutes. If it is around 180, 2.5 minutes to 3 minutes. Okay. Now you can see the fries is nice, crispy, and golden in color. That is what we need to make a very nice and crispy fries. Okay, we're going to get them off the fire. Now I put the salt in the fries and I toast it. Then now everything is ready. It's time for us to plate up, but I'm going to serve it with lemon. So I will cut the lemon into wedge. I will serve it alongside the fish. Now my dish is ready, fish and chip with dip. I hope you try this at your home and do send us pictures. I love this dish because it's rich. Thank you for watching.